I'm going to show you real quick how you can use this SmartMic with Vosaic. There's one button on the mic, and to pair it with your device, you simply press and hold that mic for a couple of seconds, for 3 seconds, and then it will start to blink kind of fast. Once it starts blinking, go to your Bluetooth preferences. There it is, SmartMic. So now I can press connect. I can close this here, and I'm going to hang this over here. So just the mic has a nice little clip, and I'm going to start a new recording in Vosaic. I'm going to call this one mic test video. I'm going to leave everything as default here, and then just press continue, press record for a new video. Here I can select which camera I want to use. And finally, you'll see SmartMic available here as an option. And once selected, you're all set and ready to start recording.